Hello people YouTube, how are you today? It's me Abby, and today, guys, oh my god, it is here. My Jeffree Star spring mystery box. Here's the thing, I'm going to mention this right now. I got 2 boxes because I wasn't able to get all 3 because it literally sold out within 2 minutes. Like, I literally was on the site and I had to wait in the waiting line, and then it told me it was sold out, and I was very angry about that because I was going to get all 3 boxes and then get this one, so I had all 4, but that was not a possibility, so I ended up getting my hands on the 420 box and the Supreme box. The thing is, though, even though I bought both boxes at the exact same time, this one has come in, the other one has not. But knowing me, I can't wait that long not knowing when it's gonna get here, so we're gonna open this one right now just so you can see what's inside, and then when I get my mystery box, I'm gonna film and just keep it in the same video for y'all. But let's get started. I'm so excited. A lot of y'all are probably wondering, Abby, why did you get the 420 box? You're probably not a person who smokes weed. And the thing is, I don't smoke that often. I really don't. I am not against weed. I'm really not. I do smoke it every now and then. But the thing is, I could not help myself. Also, Jeffree Star has his new Star Lounge with the weed collection, and it comes with the card, which is so cute. So far, I just see paper. Okay, first item I see is a hat, which has the weed logo. It's tie-dye. I've always wanted one of his hats, actually, because I really love hats. And also, to let you guys know, I'm going to be cutting my hair soon, and I'm going to be cutting it short again, like really short. And I always like hats like this, so I can just throw them on like this and have like a moment. This is cute. I like it. It's a little bit weird. I would have preferred like a white emblem or a black one, because I feel like the green kind of looks weird with the tie-dye, but at the same time, it's really cute. I do like it, even though I don't wear like tie-dye hats a lot. I really like plain black hats. Next in the boxes, we have a pop socket. Funny thing is, a lot of these pop sockets come in his mystery boxes, but I've never gotten one before because I've only gotten like 2 mystery boxes in my entire life. But you know what? I'm not against it, and I'm happy to have one for once. Right now, I'm not going to get rid of the pop socket I have because I really love the bat wings, and also I glued it on because I got this off Wish, and you know, from Wish, and it was $1. It doesn't stick well, so I had to glue it, and it's super glued, so it ain't coming off. So I will use this like sometime in the future. Next up in the box is, I know what this is. It's the Blood Money palette, and as you guys know, I wasn't a big fan of this palette, so I'm probably going to give this one away or sell it. Just so you guys can get an idea of what the Blood Money looks like. This is my already used one. Sad thing is that I have not used this since my review. Like I said, it's not my favorite palette. I couldn't really approve it because I was having trouble with the mattes, and the shimmers are good, but the mattes were not working for me. Next up in the boxes, we have one of the glosses in Pay in Full. I don't have this one, so I'm really happy to see. Okay, this gloss is really pretty. It's kind of like a nude base with green and gold glitter. I am going to put it on right now because my lips are dry and I could use a little bit of gloss. Oh my god, guys, isn't that gloss like super pretty? I love that. I love that color. Next up in the box is the Stone Lip Balm. Funny thing is, I got this for Christmas, and I literally am out, and I was gonna buy me another one. I really love this lip balm. I already have it. In fact, let me show you my other one. Like, I know it looks weird. I like to go like this with it. So it's a good thing I have another one now. Last but not least is a grinder. Oh my god, that is so cute, and it's a red one. I actually really like this. This is really cute, and will be very useful for me. Okay guys, that was everything in the 420 premium box. I will be back looking a little different when I get my Supreme box, and it'll be right now. Hey guys, I am back. Here's the thing, let me tell you something. I finally have my Supreme box right here. It has been another week since the last time you saw me. I know I'm looking a little bit rough, and I am filming at night. Right now it is currently 10:30 at night, and I am barely getting home, and you know what? I can't wait to open this. So I'm going to just do it now, looking as rough as I am. I just got done watching the baby and hanging out with my sister and getting dinner and stuff. Had a good time, but you know what? I can't wait any longer, so we're going to open this up now. Okay, guys, I got the box open, and the first thing I see is... The first thing, guys, in the bag is his new hoodie. I got it in the 3XL size. Usually I could fit in a 1 or a double, but I like bigger hoodies or like oversized stuff. So here's the first one. Oh my god, I love his hoodies, so I am happy to have this. Guys, I got another orgy palette. As you guys know, in my last mystery box I did, in my Halloween one, I got another orgy palette, and I ended up giving it to my sister. This one I think I'm gonna give to my mother. I think this is great to put in a box like this, because this box was over $173. That is including tax and stuff. But I mean, for our second item, awesome. For our next items, we have what I think are single shadows in Delicious, Wednesday, and Jawbreaker, which, you know what? I've never had a single eyeshadow, but I'm actually happy to have that because I have a palette, a Z palette, where I'm putting single shadows in. I'm going to open this up and show you it now. Here's the first shade in Delicious. It is a beautiful, like, navy blue color. I honestly really like that color, and I cannot wait to use it. This next shade is called Wednesday, which, oh my god, so gorgeous. It's like a beautiful gray color. I honestly, oh, that is just so cute. I'm not sure if these are in any of his palettes. I can't remember, to be honest with you. But I think that this shade might be from the cremated palette, so yeah. And the next one is called Jawbreaker, which I know is in the Jawbreaker palette. So I think, because I already have it, I think I'll give this to like my sister or something. Next up in here is we have a Bloodlust palette. Guys, that is awesome. As you guys know, I already have this, so I will be giving this away. Probably to a family member, probably to a friend, not sure yet, but that is awesome that you get this in here. The next item in here is, I think, a crossbody bag, if I'm correct. I'm trying to figure this out. Oh my god, it's a little like makeup bag. That is so cute. I love it. Oh my god, it has like the little compartments in it. I honestly really like this. I love like little bags like this. I can't wait to use this if I ever decide to travel again. And the little emblem on it, that is so cute. Next item is an Extreme Frost in Gag Me. I only have one, and it's in Sour Ice, and I really do like it, but I don't use it that often because don't get me wrong, I love the glitter formula, but I am more of a shimmer highlighter fan, not like a super glittery person. But I mean, like, they are so pretty. Look at that, and that has like a blue shift to it. Oh my, and I love the packaging. Like, I love these cases, even though it's like really bulky. I love it. Next up is we have the gloss in Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. I know for a fact I don't have this one, so I'm going to take it out. It is his clear gloss. Oh my god. Don't get me wrong. I love clear gloss, but I don't wear that often. Guys, this smells so good. It's so creamy. I love his gloss formula. His gloss formula is one of the best. We have another The Gloss, but it's from the Bloodlust collection, and this is in Wizard Glass. I also don't have this one, so we're going to open it up. Guys, that is so pretty. It's like a beautiful purple gloss with a green gold glitter in it. I'm going to just put it on top. Do we see that? Guys, that is so friggin' pretty. I love this. Next up, we have a Velvet Trap lipstick in Medieval Kiss. I don't have this because I only have one other of his Velvet Trap. Oh my god. That is so pretty. I have to swatch it because I can't tell what color. Guys, it's like a dark purple. I love purples. I love purple. That is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love that. Guys, we have 4 more items in here. Next up is we have a lip liner in Allegedly. I really like his lip liner formulas, even though I don't use them a lot, because I really honestly think ColourPop's are a little bit better. But I still think they're great. They don't move, they don't budge. And this is like one of my perfect colors I've been needing lately. This is so pretty. I think that his lip liner formula is amazing and super cute. I love this like little detailing. Next up is we have 2 liquid lipsticks in here in Gemini and Androgyny. I already have both of these, but both of mine are dried out, so I'm happy to have 2 more as backups because the other ones still have a teeny bit left in them, but you know, these are really good. We already know what Androgyny and Gemini look like, so I'm not going to take them out of the package right now, but like, that is awesome. And guys, last but not least, we have a mirror. I had one of his mirrors and I didn't have it long. Guys, I'm very sad because the mirror that I had gotten in my blood sugar review or anniversary review, I broke it a week later, which I am very mad at myself because I had dropped it and the glass broke, and when I went to pick it up, I was like, oh my god, great, I broke it, blah, blah, blah. And I was leaning against it with my bed, and then the handle broke off. And I'm like, fuck me. Like, I was pissed. And then, you know what's even worse? My other mirror, like my $1 mirror that I've had for like a year and a half now, also broke, and I broke it last night. But yeah, I broke that one the other night, and it was because I was watching YouTube on my phone, and it was right here on my desk, and I pulled the cord a little too hard, and it literally was wrapped around it, and it yanked off and fell right down, even though I've dropped it a million times, but of course that one day it broke, so I need a mirror. Guys, this is so fitting. Here's the thing. When you guys are watching this right now, I think we've all heard Jeffree was in a car accident and he broke part of his back from what I read. So I felt it breaks my heart, and I hope that he's doing okay because, as you guys know, I love Jeffree. So I decided to wear his shirt today. Well, I changed after I got home from work. But yeah, I think that this is very fitting, and I'm happy to have a new one and a big one like this. I could see my entire face. Welcome back to my channel. I love his mirrors. His mirrors are one of the best, and I'm happy to have a new one. And I promise you guys, I will take good care of this one. I promise I will. Promise. Pinky promise. Well, guys, that was everything. What did you think? I got a ton of amazing, great stuff, and I'm very happy to have it. I definitely made my money back with both boxes. I loved what came in both boxes, even though I did get duplicates of a lot of stuff that I did already have. I think for somebody who is new to Jeffree Star and they don't have a lot of products or they don't have any, this would be a great box to get. Think about it. If you're spending $170 for the Supreme and you're like somebody new and you just want to get like a variety, but you don't want to know what you're getting so you can just like try it out, that would be great because you are making your money back. I think in total, just me calculating my brain, everything was worth over the 200 mark, and I paid $173. I think in total it's like 280, 90. I'm trying to do the math in my head, and I'm terrible with math, so I'm probably doing it wrong. So don't trust me, guys, on that, because my math is... Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon to see more videos from me, and share this with your friends. Have a great night. That's all I'm going to say. Bye.